So this is a new print. I just went to the photo labo, and this is like to check if all the colors are perfect. This is naturally print color. This is a preparation to use same colors in the lac. So maybe there's a few colors who will change. This is just, let's say, the experiment, the color experiment. But I like it a lot. I'm really, really, really fond of it. This is green forest with the red zone, with the red fire into the forest. Can make a relationship with the bushfire, all the fires in Australia, or even Corona, or nature attacked by fire.